Today, we're here at one of Asia's most exciting race events, surrounded by speed, focus, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In both racing and trading, precision matters, discipline matters, and every decision counts. This is not just a race, it's a showcase of focus, discipline, and speed, the same spirit that drives every trade forward.
Trading and in racing, precision is everything. Only one goal: reaching the chart. This is where speed meets strategy. Every move counts. Every second defines the result. In this race, precision is profit. Accelerate your strategy. Control your momentum. Rise above the limit. Every move is a decision. Precision creates profit. Only those who control the speed control the result. Push to the limit. Aim for the chart. Master every move. WeMasterTrade, powering precision, fueling performance. From the track to the chart, we master every move. Speed, focus, discipline. That's how champions trade.
WeMasterTrade เขามีทุนให้แบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90% มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง ใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้
สาธุสิ่งศักดิ์สิทธิ์ที่อยู่ที่นี้งวดนี้ลูกขอรางวัลใหญ่รางวัลที่1สักทีเถอะถ้าลูกได้มาตรงๆลูกจะ
งมงายไม่เข้าเรื่อง
เจ้าค่ะ
แม่มสู้คนรุ่นใหม่อย่างเราก็ไม่ได้ ฮัลโหลลูกว่าไง อ๋อ ไม่ต้องห่วง เรื่องเงินค่าเทอมหนูอะพ่อเตรียมมาให้เรียบร้อยแล้ว สบายมากหายห่วงปวดจะหลับโอ้มาทำอะไรเสียงดังกันวะหรือว่าใครเป็นไรวะว้ายตะโมตัสสะตะโมตัสสะตะโมตัสสะตายไปแล้วทำไมไม่ไปผูกไม่เกินเลยจ๊ะนี่
ดอยจะสิเรียนเทรดดิ้งตั้งแต่ยังมีชีวิตจนตายที่ไม่หลุดดอยเลยเงินก็หมดนะ
ที่ไม่ผูกไม่เกิดเนี่ยคือติดต่ออย่างนั้นเหรอ นี่แม่คนจะบอกอะไรให้นะ เดี๋ยวนี้นะเทรดโดยที่ไม่ต้องใช้ทุนตัวเอง เรียนรู้ง่าย รู้จัก WeMasterTrade ไหมเนี่ยเขามีทุนให้ไม่ต้องกลัวขาดทุนแถมถอนเงินง่ายพี่นี่นะถอนไปแล้วถึง3 รอบและยังแบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90%
แต่ฉันไม่รู้ภาษาอังกฤษนะสิจ๊ะ
WeMasterTrade มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง
พอเฟิร์มดีขนาดนี้อยากลองต้องจัง
WeMasterTrade นะเทรดง่ายใช้ทุนน้อยใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้ตีจนแบบอยากจะบอกต่อเลยเดี๋ยวอย่างงี้เดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้นะจะมาถวายมือถือนะเครื่องใหม่ให้พร้อมกับ WeMasterTrade เลยเฮ้ย
ไม่ใช้มันแล้ว
สาธุตามที่ตกลงกันไว้เมื่อคืนนี้มาถวายให้แล้วนะจ๊ะแล้วก็จำที่สอนไว้ด้วยนะจะได้ไม่ต้องติดดอย
นี่แหละมีตัวช่วยดีๆแล้วพักร้อนคราวนี้จะไปฝึกเทรดให้โปรเลยฝึกเทรดก็ง่ายไม่กลัวขาดทุนอยู่ในศาลก็เทรดได้ออกมาพักร้อนก็เทรดได้สบายใจเพราะมี WeMasterTrade ร่วมเดินทางไปกับเราพร้อมบริการช่วยเหลือ 24 ชั่วโมงนี่แหละที่เขาบอกต่อไม่ว่าจะอยู่ที่ไหนจะไปที่ไหนก็เทรดได้ WeMasterTrade เพื่อนคู่ใจของเทรดเดอร์ไทยอยู่เคียงข้างคุณเสมอ
WeMasterTrade.
Yeah, good day everyone. No matter where you are tuning in from, whether you're just starting your morning or already in the middle of the trading grind or relaxing at the end of your day, welcome to our global live stream. I'm Annie, your host for the next 2 hours, and on the behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's session isn't just another presentation, it's a real conversation, a chance for you to step into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking fund trading in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me are 2 outstanding traders who have shaped the culture, vision, and standard of WeMasterTrade. They are not just only skilled professionals, they are mentor and leader within our community. First up, the ever-composed, always insightful, Dolia. Welcome, Dolia.
Thank you so much. Hello everyone, and thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today. I'm really excited for this section because there's so much we are going to uncover, not just strategies or rules, but the entire ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund trades, but it's build traders, step by step from starting out to scaling to earning.
And next to her is someone who known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no-nonsense chart reading, strategic, precise, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Ralph.
Thank you, Annie. Hello to everyone in the chat. I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me most is that today we are unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offer, but how you can take advantage of each part of our system. Packages, promotions, scaling, payout structures, all of it. If you have ever had questions or doubt, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly. Whether you are completely new or already in the funding stage with us, today LiveStream will give you the full picture, not just the highlight reel. And we're going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, and how our programs are designed, and also why we operate differently from traditional broker or prop firm. And just to clarify, this isn't about selling you anything. This is about helping you to understand what you are signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structure not only to succeed, but also to scale.
Now let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funding project, not as a broker. That difference matters. Broker profit from volume or client losses. WeMasterTrade profits only when traders succeed. We provide capital, take on the risk, and share profit when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy serves our trading package as well. Today we will walk through each package, who is designed for, how to choose the right one, and what to expect. If you have ever looked at our package and thought which one fits my style, you will finally get the answer.
And beyond just explaining, we're doing a live side-by-side comparison, pricing, account sizes, max drawdown, consistency rules, and payout timelines. Reading numbers on the website is one thing, and understanding the intention behind those numbers is another.
And once you understand packages, the next big question is on how do I stay compliant while trading. So we will dive deep into the rules, especially the daily loss limit, and know about how it's calculated, why floating profit and loss matters, and how to avoid violation, especially overnight. We will also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstanding around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I won't just explain rules. I will share real experience from my early funded trading days, mistakes I made, adjustments I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect your growth, not limit it.
And of course, we're going to get through our current promotion too, discount codes, support campaigns, capital, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit proof properly.
And finally, we will talk about the scale plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there's a structured pathway to grow into higher capital tiers. With consistent performance, you don't just get payout, you actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded trader.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit sharing model. This is the heartbeat of what makes us different from every typical prop firm out there. When you trade on a funded account, follow the rules, and generate profit, we share that profit with you, and not just a small cut up to 90%. But here's the thing, the percentage is just the headline. What really matters is the payout circle, the treehouse, how the timeline works, and we are breaking all of that down today so you know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
And now I know a lot of you tuning in today aren't just traders. Some of you are mentor, educator, community leaders, or you are simply have strong network. So we are also diving into our affiliate program, and we're doing it transparently. We will walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and most importantly, what you need to qualify for payouts. And that includes a full explanation of the two referee rules and the minimum funding requirements, no confusion, no surprises.
And that is super important. We've seen huge growth in affiliate activity recently. which is awesome, but we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When you understand this system, you are not just earning commission, you are building a long-term sustainable income stream.
And so as you can already tell, this is not our usual live service level live stream. Today we're going to get deep into everything like trading packages, trading rules, promos, scale up pathway, profit sharing, affiliate opportunity, and all with that one goal, helping you to make the smartest, most informed decision of your trading journey.
And we want this to be interactive, not just a lecture. So if you have a question, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here, we are watching, and we will answer as many as we possibly can. Your voice matters. This whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry, we will leave timestamp summaries, and you can always reach out to our support team for clarifications. They're one of the most dedicated team I have worked with. They really want traders to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say this, WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment to be a real trader, a commitment to fairness, a commitment to giving people all around the world a structured, scalable path to turn trading into profession, not gamble. So if you're here to grow, to understand and to take action, you are in the exactly right place. Let's take this journey together. Thank you once again for being here with us today. Before we jump into packages, trading rules, promos, and everything exciting that is coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment, because before you put your time, energy, and trading journey into a platform, understanding who we are, what we believe in isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so this next segment is about origin, intention, and impact. It's about where WeMasterTrade came from, what we value, what hold the entire platform together, and how those values transform into real tools, opportunities, and outcome for traders like you. And to walk us through that story, we have two people who literally live and breathe this mission every single day, Dolia and Raf. So Dolia, let's kick it off from the beginning.
Thanks, Annie. To really understand WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike most brokers or firms that grew out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission: to give capable traders access to real capital regardless of where they come from, what their background is, or how much money they have in their savings. Talent shouldn't be limited by circumstance, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. We were founded in 2022 as part of the WeCopyTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeCopyTrade made its name through our investor network, copy trading technology, and signals. But WeMasterTrade is what created with a sharper, more focused vision to find high potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them so they can earn professionally without raising their own capital.
That's one key point many people overlook, and it matters. WeMasterTrade is our broker. It isn't a slogan, and it's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spread, or we don't earn from commissions, and we don't earn when traders lose. Our models only work when traders are profitable, and that's why everything we build, from instant funding, profit sharing, scale, is designed with that alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we provide the structure and the pathway. Your role is to trade with skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something more important. Skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one has been education first. We don't want traders just memorizing rules. We want them to understand the logic behind the structures, the why behind the risk model, and that's why we have invested heavily into WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete e-learning ecosystem designed to take a trader from beginner all the way to consistently funded professionals.
And the Academy is certainly something special. We have training that covers everything from trading psychology to risk calculation to advanced multi-asset strategy. But the best part is, it's not just a theory. It's built to mirror a real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So whether you are learning in the Academy, you can apply it directly to your funding account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build had met the global educational standard, WeMasterTrade is proud to be ISO 21001:2018 standard, a recognition given to institutions that deliver high-quality, structured, and internationally compliant learning system. It's a big achievement and it represents our commitment to our long-term trader development.
Now, that certification isn't just a badge, it's a statement. It's so we are invested in developing traders, not in collecting fees and disappearing like so many firms in this space. While other prop firms rise fast and vanish even faster, WeMasterTrade has built real structure, stability, completeness, transparent processes, and a team that stands behind every decision. We are not here for a quick win, we are here to help build careers that last.
And that commitment shows in the story we hear every day. If you visit our testimonial page, you will see traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Philippines, South Africa, all around the world, sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them to earn more, but help them to trade with confidence and purpose. Some past challenges of the years of being stuck with retail brokers, some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings, and some found clarity, structure, and support they will never experience before. We have watched students turn into full-time traders. We have seen women step back into finance after a long career break, and young professionals from underbanked regions, people who were locked out of the market, now trade with real capital and real opportunity. That's the impact we care about, and that's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding for traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with the market. We maintain a constantly updated blog section, weekly insights, psychology breakdowns, market reactions, and platform updates. We believe trading is a lifelong craft, and we make sure our community never stops sharpening its edge. And let's talk about culture for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just feature, it's the mindset we cultivate, integrity, respect, and share knowledge. Whether you are chatting in our Telegram group, watching our YouTube series, or talking to our live support team, you will notice one thing. We actually listen. We treat traders like partners, not ticket numbers.
And I want to be very honest here. In most platforms, the trader is just another customer, but at WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entire model. Your performance fuels the business, your feedback shapes the platform, your consistency determines how far we scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare, and it's something we genuinely value.
So if you have ever questions whether this part is true, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go read the testimonial, look at the funding account, talk to people who have been through the system. The stories are real, the capital is real, and the results, they speak loudly.
To summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than just a platform. We are a capital allocator, a talent accelerator, and an educational-first trading institution. We are here to challenge the status quo in trading access, to reward performance over promotion, and to create real scalable income opportunities for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. This is bigger than just a prop firm, it's a trading movement. And if you already be part of it, today LiveStream will give you the full roadmap to get started. Thank you once again, Ralph and Dolia, for that deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up next, we will take this foundation and connect it directly to what we offer, or our actual account packages. That means a full breakdown of all the different accounts options at WeMasterTrade, how they differ and who they designed for, and what kind of result you can realistically expect from each. And when we say packages, we're not just talking about dollars amount, we're talking about framework and growth. Each package at WeMasterTrade represents a different pathway, a roadmap toward building skill, scaling your capital, and unlocking potential. Today, we'll walk you through every package, explaining what we offer and its structure, and most importantly, who it's designed for.
Exactly, Annie. At WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all model. That's why we create two distinct product lines for traders. One is the challenge package and the instant funding package. Each line comes with a variety of account size and configuration because traders come with different strengths, risk appetites, and timelines. We make sure there are a part for everyone, whether you are start trading small or ready to scale fast?
Now let's talk about the instant funding package, designed for traders who are ready to skip the challenge phase and start trading with real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, this is for those who already have a tested strategies or want to hit the ground running. It's fast, efficient, and still structured around the same risk rule that keep your account safe.
In the intense funding package, you select an account size $10K, $25K, $5,000 or $100,000 and you start trading real funds from day one. The rules are straightforward: 5% daily loss limit, 10% maximum loss, and 1 to 100 leverage. There are no simulate phase. You are already in the funded state and your profits sell up to 90%.
So, to summarize, the challenge package is perfect if you want a step-by-step progression. Prove your skill, get familiar with WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit share. The instant funding package is for traders who want to start with real capital immediately, with all the protections and profit sharing benefits intact.
Exactly, think of it this way. Challenge package, build confidence, demonstrate skill, grow progressively. Instant funding, trade like capital immediately if you are confident in your strategies. Both paths lead to the same destination, scaling your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget, both packages are fully compliant with WeMasterTrade's risk management rules that our warranty you'll have a clear, transparent path whether you are learning, testing, or trading full-time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill level, and coupled with risk.
So, whatever stage you're at, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there are a WeMasterTrade package for you. And coming up next, we're going to do a live side-by-side comparison of challenge and versus instant funding, so you can clearly see the account sizes, risk rule, timelines, and profit share opportunities.
So, who are the mid and high tier challenges best for? The $25,000 to $100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funding accounts. If you have passed all the broad challenges or have a strong verified trading history, this is the natural next step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with a one-time fee, for example, just $50 for the $10,000 challenge. Here's the good part, that fee is refundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance condition. And if things don't go your way, you are eligible for a 30% reset discount, so you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through the challenge at all and want real capital from day one, earning purely based on the results? And that is where our instant funding packages comes in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stands out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced, disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluations, no demo stages, just live trading, fully backed by a structured, fair, and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, preference, and goals. Today, we will go through the three main instant funding packages: 5-10-10, 5-10-0, and Customize. We will compare the details, but more importantly, we will help you figure out which package is right for you.
Let me set the scene. All the instant funding packages give you live trading access from day one. That means no challenge phrases, no evaluation. You pay once for the rules and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, is included with no time limit, up to 90% profit share. The scale-up plan toward $1 million and support for EA, swing trades, scalping, and even HFT strategy. Now, let's go package by package. So let's get to the 5-10-10 package, maximum capital up to $200,000. Now you get 5% daily loss, 10% overall limit. So why is that important?
That extra breadroom is huge for traders who scale into positions or like taking multiple trade entries per setup. Imagine you are in a volatile market with fast swing. The 5-10-10 rules let you navigate larger moves without hitting daily limit prematurely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
The profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with the higher risk window. And as always, you get full flexibility, scalping, EIs, new trading, swing trades, HFT, whatever suits your style. This package is all about tolerance and adaptability. It rewards traders who understand position sizing, risk management, and market timing.
Now, who is it for? This package is perfect for day traders, especially those focusing on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, gold, or volatile forex pairs. If you already have a tested interest strategy and want a little extra breathing for risk, this is the package for you. It gives you flexibility without sacrificing structure.
And it's also great for traders who trade with clear targets. The 10% profit rolls acts as a motivating milestone, keeping you focused and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and this package gives them that clarity without feeling restricted.
So, to sum up the 5-10-10 for high tolerance intraday or ambitious traders, and now this one is the personal favorite for traders who love trading on their term, the 5-10-0 package. You get a 5% daily limit, 10% overall loss, but 0 profit target. That's right, no number chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patiently, and let results come in naturally.
For traders who thrive on precision over pace, this pure freedom, you focus on protecting capital, building consistent gains, and growing your account without any arbitrary pressure. No target, just trading clean, control and strategies.
This package is perfect for low-frequency traders and market snipers. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week and each with careful blending, this environment is actually reward patience rather than punishing it. It's for aggressive traders, risk takers, or anyone frustrated by strict consistency rules as well. Trade how you want as long as you respect the dollar limit.
So, last but not least, the customized package. Think of this as WeMasterTrade saying, you define the rules and we fund your strategy.
You can set your own daily loss overalls and even fund up to $400,000, the largest funding option we offer. It's designed for serious traders who want total control without compromising on flexibility.
This is premium all-access trading. You can use new strategies, weekend holding, HFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the package that lets you bring it to life. Now, who is it for? Top-tier professionals, as hedge fund traders, high-room traders, signal provider, anyone who wants a fully tailored trading setup. This package puts the blueprint in your hand.
I always say, if you try other models and nothing fits, the customized package lets you build your own roadmap. That level of freedom is rare in the trading world and extremely powerful for serious traders.
To wrap it up, every instant funding package we offer to build around clarity, fairness, and real opportunity, clear risk parameter, competitive commissions, full market access, and junior profit potential, no artificial time limit, and payouts. They can start as early as the very next day.
And here's the best part, no matter your trading style, scalping, swing, or manual, there's an account that matches you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now, and the growth compound naturally.
And if you are ever on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's the real secret. Pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dreams. The right fit always outperforms the flashy promise.
And yes, before we jump into the next part, let's take a short break.
Good morning, everyone. I am Andrew Hunt and I am CEO of WeMasterTrade. Today, we're here at one of Asia's most exciting race 7, surrounded by speed, focus, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In both racing and trading, precision matters, discipline matters, and every decision counts. This is not just a race, it's a showcase of focus, discipline, and speed, the same spirit that drives every trade forward.
In trading and in racing, precision is everything. Only one goal, reaching the chart. This is where speed meets strategy. Every move counts. Every second defines the result. In this race, precision is profit. Accelerate your strategy. Control your momentum. Rise above the limit. Every move is a decision. Precision creates profit. Only those who control the speed control the result. Push to the limit. Aim for the chart. Master every move. WeMasterTrade, powering precision, fueling performance. From the track to the chart, we master every move. Speed, focus, discipline. That's how champions trade.
WeMasterTrade เขามีทุนให้แบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90% มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง ใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้
สาธุสิ่งศักดิ์สิทธิ์ที่อยู่ที่นี้งวดนี้ลูกขอรางวัลใหญ่รางวัลที่1สักทีเถอะถ้าลูกได้มาตรงๆลูกจะ
งมงายไม่เข้าเรื่อง
เจ้าค่ะ
แม่มันสู้คนรุ่นใหม่อย่างเราก็ไม่ได้ ฮัลโหลลูกว่าไง อ๋อ ไม่ต้องห่วง เรื่องเงินค่าเทอมหนูอ่ะพ่อเตรียมมาให้เรียบร้อยแล้ว สบายมากหายห่วงปวดจะหลับโอ้มาทำอะไรเสียงดังกันวะหรือว่าใครเป็นไรวะตะโมตัสสะตะโมตัสสะตะโมตัสสะตายไปแล้วทำไมไม่ไปผุดไม่เกิดเลยจ๊ะนี่
ดอยจะสิเรียนเทรดดิ้งตั้งแต่ยังมีชีวิตจนตายที่ไม่หลุดดอยเลยเงินก็หมดนะ
ที่ไม่ไปผุดไม่เกิดเนี่ยก็คือติดต่ออย่างนั้นเหรอ นี่แม่คนจะบอกอะไรให้นะ เดี๋ยวนี้นะเทรดโดยที่ไม่ต้องใช้ทุนตัวเองเรียนรู้ง่าย รู้จัก WeMasterTrade ไหมเนี่ยเขามีทุนให้ไม่ต้องกลัวขาดทุนแถมถอนเงินง่ายพี่นี่นะถอนไปแล้วถึง3 รอบและยังแบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90%
แต่ฉันไม่รู้ภาษาอังกฤษนะสิจ๊ะ
WeMasterTrade มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง
ท็อปเฟิร์มดีขนาดนี้อยากลองต้องจัง
WeMasterTrade นะเทรดง่ายใช้ทุนน้อยใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้ตีจนแบบอยากจะบอกต่อเลยเอาเดี๋ยวอย่างงี้เดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้นะจะมาถวายมือถือนะเครื่องใหม่ให้พร้อมกับ WeMasterTrade เลยเฮ้ย
ไม่ใช้มันแล้ว
สาธุตามที่ตกลงกันไว้เมื่อคืนนี้มาถวายให้แล้วนะจ๊ะแล้วก็จำที่สอนไว้ด้วยนะจะได้ไม่ต้องติดดอย
นี่แหละมีตัวช่วยดีๆแล้วพักร้อนคราวนี้จะไปฝึกเทรดให้โปรเลยฝึกเทรดก็ง่ายไม่กลัวขาดทุนอยู่ในศาลก็เทรดได้ออกมาพักร้อนก็เทรดได้สบายใจเพราะมี WeMasterTrade ร่วมเดินทางไปกับเราพร้อมบริการช่วยเหลือ 24 ชั่วโมงนี่แหละที่เขาบอกต่อไม่ว่าจะอยู่ที่ไหนจะไปที่ไหนก็เทรดได้ WeMasterTrade เพื่อนคู่ใจของเทรดเดอร์ไทยอยู่เคียงข้างคุณเสมอ
WeMasterTrade.
ในโลกของการเงินไม่ต่างอะไรกับเกมส์ในสนามทุกวินาทีล้วนมีค่าชัยชนะไม่ได้มาจากโชคแต่มาจากกลยุทธ์วินัยและความสามารถในการคว้าโอกาส WeMasterTrade แพลตฟอร์มที่ช่วยให้คุณเชื่อมต่อวิเคราะห์และลงมือเหมือนทีมมืออาชีพการฝึกที่ดีนำคุณไปสู่ความสำเร็จปลดปล่อยศักยภาพของคุณเร่งสปีดสู่ความสำเร็จในการเทรด WeMasterTrade ครองเกมของคุณพิชิตตลาดการเงิน
WeMasterTrade.
At WeMasterTrade, we defined ourselves as an angel funding project. Our approach involves hiring traders. Under our trading rules, we're proud to cover your risk, placing our trust in traders to generate profits for both parties. We have a specialized risk management team that will analyze high winning potential orders and copy those trades in a way that boosts winning. For instance, if a client initiates a trade with 100 Apple shares, our risk management team will copy it at a ratio of 1:4, translating to a purchase of 400 shares. Note that we only copy trades that our experts believe will be a big success. This way, we can profit more on this project for our company and a higher profit share for traders. First, WeMasterTrade will provide you access to the trading capital. You'll be trading on the most reliable platform, MT5. Generated profit will be shared up to 90%. WeMasterTrade covering all of your losses. We implemented a loss limit strategy to help you and our company control the risk of our trades. You can make as many trades as you want in a day or week as long as you don't hit the loss limit. For example, in our sugar package of $100,000 capital, the loss limit is 5%, equals to $5,000. This means as long as you don't lose more than $5,000, you can keep trading and growing your trading capital and withdraw profit anytime. That's how WeMasterTrade instant funding program works.
WeMasterTrade.
Good morning, everyone. I am Andrew Hunt, and I am CEO of WeMasterTrade. Today, we're here at one of Asia's most exciting race 7, surrounded by speed, focus, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In both racing and trading, precision matters, discipline matters, and every decision counts. This is not just a race, it's a showcase of focus, discipline, and speed, the same spirit that drives every trade forward.
In trading and in racing, precision is everything. Only one goal, reaching the chart. This is where speed meets strategy. Every move counts. Every second defines the result. In this race, precision is profit. Accelerate your strategy. Control your momentum. Rise above the limit. Every move is a decision. Precision creates profit. Only those who control the speed control the result. Push to the limit. Aim for the chart. Master every move. WeMasterTrade, powering precision, fueling performance. From the track to the chart, we master every move. Speed, focus, discipline. That's how champions trade.
WeMasterTrade เขามีทุนให้แบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90% มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง ใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้
สาธุสิ่งศักดิ์สิทธิ์ที่อยู่ที่นี้งวดนี้ลูกขอรางวัลใหญ่รางวัลที่1สักทีเถอะถ้าลูกได้มาตรงๆลูกจะ
งมงายไม่เข้าเรื่อง
เจ้าค่ะ
แม่มันสู้คนรุ่นใหม่อย่างเราก็ไม่ได้ ฮัลโหลลูกว่าไง อ๋อ ไม่ต้องห่วง เรื่องเงินค่าเทอมหนูอ่ะพ่อเตรียมมาให้เรียบร้อยแล้วสบายมากหายปวดปวดจะหลับโอ้มาทำอะไรเสียงดังกันวะหรือว่าใครเป็นไรวะนโมตัสสะนโมตัสสะนโมตัสสะตายไปแล้วทำไมไม่ไปผุดไม่เกิดเลยจ๊ะนี่
ดอยจะสิเรียนเทรดดิ้งตั้งแต่ยังมีชีวิตจนตายที่ไม่หลุดดอยเลยเงินก็หมดนะ
ที่ไม่ผุดไม่เกิดเนี่ยคือติดต่ออย่างนั้นเหรอ นี่แม่คนจะบอกอะไรให้นะ เดี๋ยวนี้นะเทรดโดยที่ไม่ต้องใช้ทุนตัวเองเรียนรู้ง่าย รู้จัก WeMasterTrade ไหมเนี่ยเขามีทุนให้ไม่ต้องกลัวขาดทุนแถมถอนเงินง่าย พี่นี่นะถอนไปแล้วถึง3 รอบและยังแบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90%
แต่ฉันไม่รู้ภาษาอังกฤษนะสิจ๊ะ
WeMasterTrade มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง
ท็อปเฟิร์มดีขนาดนี้อยากลองต้องจัง
WeMasterTrade นะเทรดง่ายใช้ทุนน้อยใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้ตีจนแบบอยากจะบอกต่อเลยเดี๋ยวอย่างงี้เดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้นะจะมาถวายมือถือนะเครื่องใหม่ให้พบกับ WeMasterTrade เลย
ไม่ชงไม่ใช้มันแล้ว
โอเคสาธุตามที่ตกลงกันไว้เมื่อคืนนี้มาถวายให้แล้วนะจ๊ะแล้วก็จำที่สอนไว้ด้วยนะจะได้ไม่ต้องติดดอย
นี่แหละมีตัวช่วยดีๆแล้วพักร้อนคราวนี้จะไปฝึกเทรดให้โปรเลยฝึกเทรดก็ง่ายไม่กลัวขาดทุนอยู่ในศาลก็เทรดได้ออกมาพักร้อนก็เทรดได้สบายใจเพราะมี WeMasterTrade ร่วมเดินทางไปกับเราพร้อมบริการช่วยเหลือ 24 ชั่วโมงนี่แหละที่เขาบอกต่อไม่ว่าจะอยู่ที่ไหนจะไปที่ไหนก็เทรดได้ WeMasterTrade เพื่อนคู่ใจของเทรดเดอร์ไทยอยู่เคียงข้างคุณเสมอ
WeMasterTrade.
ในโลกของการเงินไม่ต่างอะไรกับเกมส์ในสนามทุกวินาทีล้วนมีค่าชัยชนะไม่ได้มาจากโชคแต่มาจากกลยุทธ์วินัยและความสามารถในการคว้าโอกาส WeMasterTrade แพลตฟอร์มที่ช่วยให้คุณเชื่อมต่อวิเคราะห์และลงมือเหมือนทีมมืออาชีพการฝึกที่ดีนำคุณไปสู่ความสำเร็จปลดปล่อยศักยภาพของคุณเร่งสปีดสู่ความสำเร็จในการเทรด WeMasterTrade ครองเกมของคุณพิชิตตลาดการเงิน
WeMasterTrade.
At WeMasterTrade, we defined ourselves as an angel funding project. Our approach involves hiring traders. Under our trading rules, we're proud to cover your risk, placing our trust in traders to generate profits for both parties. We have a specialized risk management team that will analyze high winning potential orders and copy those trades in a way that boosts winning. For instance, if a client initiates a trade with 100 Apple shares, our risk management team will copy it at a ratio of 1:4, translating to a purchase of 400 shares. Note that we only copy trades that our experts believe will be a big success. This way, we can profit more on this project for our company and a higher profit share for traders. First, WeMasterTrade will provide you access to the trading capital. You'll be trading on the most reliable platform, MT5. Generated profit will be shared up to 90%. WeMasterTrade covering all of your losses. We implemented a loss limit strategy to help you and our company control the risk of our trades. You can make as many trades as you want in a day or week as long as you don't hit the loss limit. For example, in our sugar package of $100,000 capital, the loss limit is 5%, equals to $5,000. This means as long as you don't lose more than $5,000, you can keep trading and growing your trading capital and withdraw profit anytime. That's how WeMasterTrade Instant Funding Program works.
Alright trader, you've seen the packages, now it's time to tackle the rules that can make or break your account. The daily loss limit, stay tuned, this separates the pro from the panic. Getting funded feels amazing, but staying funded, that is the real game. And the number one reason account gets shut down, one thing, daily loss.
Yes, the infamous daily loss. Most traders think they understand it until it closes their account mystery on a Tuesday afternoon.
But here's the silver lining. Once you really grasp it, this rule becomes one of your best allies in risk management. Today we will break it down step by step with real examples.
So what is it? The daily loss limit is also called maximum daily loss. Set a hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including both closed and floating trades. Hit this, and even for a second, your account gets shut down automatically.
And here's the nuance, it's always calculated from the higher of your starting balance or equity. That small detail is what catches so many traders off guard.
Think of it as a safety leash. It's not there to push you, it's there to keep you in the game.
Let's get practical. Day 5, the balance is $105,000, but your equity is $107,000 thanks to some floating loss. Profit, I mean.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculated is from $107,000, the higher number.
Well, 4% of 107,000, about 4,280. The equity cannot drop below 102,720 that day, or it will be auto liquidation.
And here's the kicker. This is real time. The system doesn't wait, dip below for even a second, and boom, the account is closed.
And here's the second example. Now flip it. Day 7 balance is 100,000, equity is 99,000 because some trades are in loss.
Since the balance is higher, 4% daily loss equals $4,000. Your equity must stay above $96,000 only.
Drop to 95,999, auto liquidation triggers, no margin call, no warning, just done.
Now what happens if you break it? The system executes a market order to close everything. On trades liquidated, account disabled, you cannot trade against unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it executes a live market price, slippage can make the final P&L worse than expected. That $3,900 loss you planned could turn into $4,200 in seconds.
That is why we always say, don't dance on the edge, respect the limit, protect your capital, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
Alright, here let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where the pro mindset kicks in.
Tip number 1, know your buffer. Don't plan trades that push you right to the edge of your limit. Leave at least 10 to 15% cushion below your max, especially in volatile markets.
Number 2, focus on equity, not just balance. Most traders stare at their balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you are already at risk of a violation.
Tip number 3, use your dashboard. WeMasterTrade provides live risk dashboard. Check your loss status frequently. Don't rely on memory or guesswork.
And tips 4, pause after early losses. If you are 3% lose in the first hour of London section, stop, reflect, don't try to revenge trade back into the green.
Number 5, trade smaller during news events. Trading gold during NLP at full size, well, that's a fast track to hitting daily loss. Scale down your loss, try to pause volatility, and move safely.
And also, let's talk about the traps. What mistake do traders make most often with daily loss?
Number 1, over-leveraging. Opening trades that are 5 to 7% of your account, thinking you will exit quickly when it goes red fast, is already too late.
Number 2, holding overnight without checking exposures. 3 trades left overnight, wake up to a 60p gap. Daily loss can trigger before you can even open your eyes.
And the third big mistake?
Assuming only closed trades matter. Not equity includes flexing profit and loss too. That's your real score. And I always tell new traders that daily loss isn't your enemy. Think of it as your account airbag. It's designed to stop you from making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly, it forces discipline. You can be aggressive, but only inside the box. Learn that and you will last longer than 90% of the market.
And one last point, this isn't just about rules, it's about trust. WeMasterTrade fund you because we trust you will manage risk responsibly. The daily loss is protect that trust for both sizes. And previously we have already covered the daily loss rule, your day-to-day seatbelt, but now it's time to talk about the ultimate boundary. I'm talking about the maximum loss rule, your account airbag, and this isn't just for one day, it's for the entire life of your account.
And a lot of traders think I didn't hit my daily limit, I'm safe, but a few days of small losses and add up, and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly, the max loss is the final safety net. Hit it and the system sees your account as unsalvageable. Immediate closures, no exception.
Let's break it down simply. Is the total loss your account can sustain across all trades at any moment. If your equity including open trades dip below that threshold, the account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss, which reset each day, this is calculated loss 2% one day and 3% the next. Cross the line, and that's it.
Well, the actual percentage depends on your package. Typically 6 or 10% of your starting balance is only based on your initial capital, not your equity or profits.
And there will be some example. Suppose your account start at $50,000 with a 6% mark loss, that's going to be $3,000.
Your equity can never fall below $47,000. Doesn't matter if you make $1,000 yesterday, it's cumulated from the start.
And remember, both closed and floating losses count. Closed 2,000, floating 1,200, equity is 46,800. Below 47,000, the account closed.
Not about net gain or loss across trades, it's about real-time equity, the stop loss for.
Say your account rose to $51,000, profit feel great, right?
Yeah, but the max loss is still based on the original 50,000. 6% limit equal 47,000. The profit only gives you an extra buffer.
Exactly, your equity can drop to $4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
Now, what happens when you break it? If you drop below the max loss even by a few dollars, the auto liquidation triggers instantly. On trade close at market price.
And like daily loss celebrate make your final number slightly worse. That just make a market reality.
And most importantly, once breached, the account is permanently disabled, no reset, no rolls back, and want to continue trading, you must purchase a new package.
Now, alright traders, here's the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the master box and trade like a pro without winning every second?
Tip number 1, know your floor always. Track your total close losses every day. Don't wait for a dashboard left. Calculate it manually. Awareness is half the battle.
Number 2, treat profits like as ammo, not ammo. Floating gains don't mean going wide. Reduce loss sizes when you are ahead. Protect your capital, don't gamble it.
Tips 3. Manage floating losses like a hawk. Even one rogue trade can turn your cushion into catastrophe. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
Tip number 4. Step back when danger looms. If you are 5% down on a 6% max loss, don't chase it. Walk away, take a breath, analyze patient's account.
Number 5. Never fight volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size, gold, Nasdaq, Euro pairs. They spike fast. Respect the market, respect the limit.
Now, let's get real. Here are the moves that destroy accounts faster than you can blink.
Number 1, over-leveraging. Opening position at 5 to 7% of your account thinking is safe. One wrong move and you are toast.
Number 2, ignoring if floating trades. Close 3 losers, think you are safe. One more red trade floating 1,500 to 2,000. boom, the account crossed the line.
Number 3, revenge trading. Lose yesterday, come back swinging today to recover. That's how a 6% mark loss disappear in 2 seconds.
Number 4, slippage during meals. Tight stop doesn't matter. A single candle can wipe out your buffer before you can blink.
And listen up, the muscle isn't the enemy, it's your protective shield or your airbag. Every top trader I know treats it as non-negotiable. Cross it and the lesson hits hard, account gone.
Exactly, think of it as a reality check. If you're constantly skimming the edge, the problem isn't the rule, it's your strategies or mindset. Fix that and the account lasts years, not days.
So here's the mantra, traders. Respect the max loss, trade inside the box, protect your equity, grow consistently. Treat it like your best friend and it will keep your account alive while most traders self-destruct around you.
At WeMasterTrade, we are not just handing out capital, we are building structure, discipline, and professionalism. The max loss rule, that's the line that separates gamblers from true traders.
So let's lock this in, traders. Here's what you need to remember about max loss. It's a percentage of your starting balance, usually 6% or 10%. It's calculated from the real-time equity, not just your balance. It's count both close and floating losses. Every penny matters. And here's the kicker. Once it's breached, the account is gone permanently.
Now think of it as your final safety net. Respect it, trade smart, and you will survive where most traders fall.
Alright traders, we have covered the daily loss, limit and maximum loss rule, your capital safety net. Now let's talk about the result, not just risk. At WeMasterTrade, we want to see trader grow, scale and earn sustainably, and that is where profit consistency comes in.
This rule separates lucky spike from true pros. It tells us whether you can make consistent profits over time instead of relying on one big win. And it's also how we determine profit sharing, withdrawal goals, and scale up. Funded and cannot withdraw at full profit. This rule is probably why.
So what is profit consistency? Simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profits come in day to day. One huge spike and several flats or losing days, high ratios, low consistency.
At WeMasterTrade, most accounts require 30% BC, meaning your best day cannot exceed 30% of your total profit.
This is important. If your profit consistency is 20%, your profit share up to not 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize earnings. Now, here is how it's calculated. The formula is simple. Best trading days profit divided by total gross profit multiplied by 100 equal profit consistency.
The best day is single day highest close profit. Total profit equals sum of all close profit minus close losses. Floating loss don't count until close.
So if your best day is $200 and your total profit is $500, your profit consistency equal to 200 divided to 500 and multiplied to 100 is going to be 40%. That is too high and you need to trade more to reduce this ratio below 20% to eligible for payouts.
Here is an example walkthrough. Find the results. Day 1, $100, day 2, $200, day 3, minus 50, day 4, $100, and day 5, $60.
Total net profit is 100 plus 200 minus 50 plus 100 and plus 60 equal $410.
So the best day is day 2. It's going to be $200, so the profit consistency will be $200 divided to 410 multiplied to 100, so it's going to be around 48.78%.
That's way above the 30% limit, even though profitable. Profit share up to 10% until consistency improves.
profit doesn't equal pay, even profitable traders won't get full profit share if gains are too concentrated.
If you rely on 1 or 2 master days to carry out your account, that's risk, not skill. You need steady wins.
Long-term balance, that means high trust, scale up, and full profit share. That's what separates funny pros from lucky spies. Now, how to improve profit consistency? If you're over the limits, don't panic. Focus on evening out profits over multiple days.
Practical tips: reduce lot size for a few days. Take smaller controlled wins, 200 to 300 per day. Avoid one massive swing trade. Spread gains across multiple days.
And for a user, monitor your equity curves. Bots that spike profit one day may hurt profit consistency. Adjust to keep the ratio below 20 to 30% for full profit share.
Now, here are some common mistakes. Number 1, hitting the target early and resting. Inflate the best day ratio.
Number 2, over trading after a big day. Trying to squeeze more is higher ratio.
Number 3, ignoring the rules. Profit consistency is what we actually measure for growth and scale.
Profit consistency isn't a hurdle. It's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share.
Hit this and WeMasterTrade will trust you with bigger capital. Ignore it and even profitable accounts get reduced payout.
So remember, small, steady, reliable profit is much more better than one lucky spike any day. Keep profit consistency below 20 to 30% to maximize your profit share and scale fast.
At the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you, it's about building habits that can handle scale. If you cannot be consistent with $25,000, that happens when we'll give you $100K or more.
Exactly, consistency is your ticket to trust. At WeMasterTrade, we fund traders, but we also study them. These rules show whether you are serious about long-term trading or you are just chasing lucky spikes.
And we've seen it time and time again. The traders who respect this rule, they are the ones that getting multiple payouts, referrals, and eventually scaling into six-figure funded accounts.
No, so don't fear the rule, embrace it as feedback. If it's too high, that's good, it means you have made profit. Now the goal is to balance it out over multiple sections.
And remember, no manual much required. WeMasterTrade's dashboard automatically calculates for your profit consistency ratio. Check it anytime under your strategy tab.
Quick recap for traders, this rule is about balance, not volume. Keep your best day under 20% of your total profit or for max payout. Spread your wins across multiple sessions, monitor progress using dashboard. And already, so far, we have walked you through the daily loss limit, tackle the maximum account loss, and examined how profit consistency shape your long-term payout and growth. And now we arrive at the final and perhaps the most overlooked rule of all. Yes, you know how to protect your capital and keep your payouts on track, but here's the final pillar, the one that separates reckless traders from pros. I'm talking about the risk consistency rules and what we like to call the discipline test, because honestly, the market isn't your biggest threat, it's your own inconsistency is.
Exactly. Traders often think the hardest part is predicting price, but really it's staying disciplined with how much you risk per trade.
This rule doesn't care about your win streak, it monitors your risk push. If you want to scale at WeMasterTrade, this is non-negotiable.
Here's the simple version. You cannot risk more than 2% of your initial account balance on any single trading idea.
And that includes everything linked to that trade idea. Close trades, floating losses, fees, and swaps. Nothing is included.
Consistency isn't just about profit and losses, it's about progress. And random position sizing equal wide, equity swing, and equal very hard to scale.
This will protect both you and WeMasterTrade. It preserves capital and ensure your egg plays out over time.
Think of it as your account heartbeat. If it lost jump from 0.5 to 5 overnight, that's chaos, not trading.
And yes, a trade here isn't just one order, it's a bundle of trades sharing the same logic.
For example, 3 buy orders on XAUUSD at different time equal 1 trade idea.
Same symbol, same directions, close around the same time, group logically. The 2% risk cap applies to the entire bundle.
So, the system doesn't just look at trades individually, it looks at logical bundles.
You can have multiple trade ideas as long as it respects the 2% limit.
Buy gold, sell GBP, GBY, sell AUD, USD, 3 separate trade ideas, each can raise up to 2%.
And 3 buy orders on gold, same direction, same assets equal 1 trade idea.
If combined risk is 2%, the account is flagged immediately, no exception.
Let's break it down simply. Imagine if a $50,000 account, your risk contingency limit is 2% per trade idea, so $1,000 max per bundle.
Trade idea 1 buy gold total risk is $900 is 1.8%, perfectly under the limit.
Later, you open another buy on gold, same direction, same assets. Combined with the first positions, your risk now total 1,200. That's 2.4%. Even though each trade looks small individually, the system counts them as one trade idea.
And here's the crucial part: the platform sees a 2% breach immediately. That means even a small miscalculation can trigger a violation.
Remember, it includes floating losses too. If the first gold trade in is floating minus $500 and the second as minus $700, your equity hits $46,800 over the 2% limit violation trigger.
This is why you must think in trade idea bundles, not isolated trades. That's how pros stay compliant without cutting back on strategy.
Traders count combines risk, stay under 2% per idea, and track both floating and closed losses. Master this and the risk contingency become your ally.
Now here are some pro tips to stay inside the rules. Number 1, count trade ideas, not just trades.
Tip number 2, keep position sizing startable, no sudden jumps.
Tips 3, use WeMasterTrade dashboard. Live risk tracking is your best friend.
Tip number 4, plan trades ahead. Don't open multiple positions impulsively.
Number 5, watch news event. Volatility can push you over 2% fast.
This isn't punishment, it's a framework for long-term success. Trade inside the box and you can scale safely.
Now respect the risk consistency rule and you will outlast 90% of a trader.
Combine risk discipline plus profit contingency plus daily or max loss management. That's the trifecta separating amateur from professional traders at WeMasterTrade. And yes, before we end the live stream, we're going to get to one of the most important part of the live. It's going to be our economic calendar. So Ralph and Dolly are going to start the part right now.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our daily market live stream. Today is Thursday and we'll have another event-packed economic calendar featuring major releases from Australia, the Eurozone, Canada, the United States and the United Kingdom and China. Today's market will be heavily influenced by employment data, central bank decisions, retail sales, and labor market indicators, making it an interesting section for forex and gold traders.
Absolutely, Dolly. Today's spotlight falls on the 3 major themes: Australia labor market report, the European Central Bank's interest rate decision and press conference, North American data including Canadian retail sales and US unemployment claims. With several high-impact events scheduled, those close together, traders should be prepared for increased volatility throughout both the European and US sessions.
The day begins with a speech from President Donald Trump. Although political speech don't always move the market immediately, investors will pay close attention to any comments regarding economic growth, fiscal policy, international trade, or geopolitical developments.
Exactly, political headlines can quickly change market sentiment. If his comment increases optimism about economic growth, investors may favor risk assets, while unexpected remark on tariff or international relations could increase demand for safe haven currencies and gold.
The first major economic release comes from Australia. Employment trend increases by 76.3 thousand jobs, significantly outperforming the market's expectation of 16.4 thousand and also exceeding the previous reading of 44.0 thousand.
This is an exceptionally strong employment report. A sharp increase in job creation usually indicates expanding business activity and stronger economic confidence. A healthy labor market also supports consumer spending, which contributes positively to overall economic growth.
Meanwhile, Australia's unemployment rate remained unchanged at 4.4%, matching both expectation and the previous reading.
Keeping unemployment stable while adding more than 76,000 new jobs suggests that Australia's labor market remains remarkably resilient.
Overall, today's employment report is clearly supportive for the Australian dollar.
Yes, strong employment data generally reduces expectations for monetary easing, which tends to strengthen the domestic currencies. And as a result, traders might see increased buying interest in AUD pairs during the Asian session.
Later in the European morning, we received the UK's CPI industrial order expectations. The forecast improves from -45 to -40.
Although the figure remains negative, and improvements suggests manufacturers are becoming slightly more optimistic about future demand. While this isn't typically a major market move, it can provide additional insight into the health of the UK's manufacturing sector.
Attention then shifts to the European Central Bank. The markets expect the main refinancing rate to remain unchanged at 2.4%.
A steady interest rate is widely anticipated. Therefore, the market reaction will depend less on the rate itself and more on the ECB guidance regarding future monetary policies.
The monetary policy statement will reveal how ECB policy markets assess inflation, economic growth, and future risks.
If the statement suggests inflation remains persistent, market may interpret that as hawkish, supporting the euro. However, if policy maker emphasize slowing growth or increasing downside risk, traders might expect future rate cuts, putting pressure on euro. And that's also wrap up today's live stream. Thank you for joining today's market outlook. We hope this analysis help you prepare for the upcoming trading sessions. Best of luck with your trades today and stay disciplined, trade wisely. We will see you in the next session.
And yes, that will be the end.